So today we're going to create this 3D web pop-out effect using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is add a new page, and we're going to select our background. I'm going to select this one. It is a video background. And next we're going to select our our picture that we're going to use. And I selected this picture right here. And then we're going to go to edit image, smart mockups. This is created by Canva, so you can just go to the image you want and smart mockups. And we're just going to select this phone 20. And we're just going to place it right here in the middle. The next thing we're going to do is find our whale that we're going to use. So I chose this one. It's called a jumping killer whale. And that is the name if you want to look it up. So we're just going to select it and put it right here. Then we're going to double it and remove the background. So we're going to go remove the background. And you do need Canva Pro in order to use the background removal. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can actually get a 30-day free trial. And I will place the link in the comments below. So we're just going to select this and put it right here. Let's move this one out the way. So we're going to place it right there. And then we're just going to make it smaller. We're going to cut it off right there. Okay. And our next one, we're going to actually place it behind there. So we're going to remove the background on this one. And crop it here. And we're going to make it the same size as that one. And overlap them on each other. And we just got to make sure that they're actually the same size. Okay, and so the next thing we're going to do is crop it to the end and push it to the back. So we're going to position it to the back like that. And just make sure everything is lined up straight. Okay, and there it goes. And that is going to be our 3D pop-out effect using Canva for the jumping killer whale. And we're just going to play it so you can take a look and see how it looks there. And there it goes. Any questions or concerns, you can leave me a comment in the comment section. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow on Instagram at Designs Chandra. Thank you so much for watching my video.